Additional $500 would be sent for every child in that household. It also boosts unemployment insurance benefits, and it provides loans for distressed companies and for small businesses. Now, the plan still must be voted on in the Senate, but President Trump just moments ago has said he will sign this approved deal.
Now, your latest forecast from the Weather Authority.
As expected, this has been a spectacular spring day across the great state of Alabama. Nothing but sunshine. Temperatures delightful this afternoon. Let's check the numbers. We have 60s in areas north of Birmingham, 67 for Coleman and Haleyville. Birmingham at 73, 80 in Utah. Down in Greene County, it's 81 degrees. In Bibb County at Centerville. The storms last night are long gone. We have a dry air mass. We have no rain this evening. We'll be dry tomorrow and dry during the day Friday with temperatures warming up. In fact, we're going to be in the 80s for the next couple of days. But tonight, refreshingly cool. We'll drop into the 50s after midnight, and the sky will stay clear. Lows between 48 and 52. Early tomorrow morning with a fair sky. The sun going down this evening at 7:03. What's going to happen in coming days? Well, tomorrow we start the day in the upper 40s and low 50s. The sky absolutely clear overnight with a dry air mass. Now, cool early in the day, but a big warm-up. Again, we start the day in some spots in the 40s. We wind up well in the 80s. We're going to see some mid-80s on that western side of the state. And pretty much the same thing on Friday. High clouds will definitely come in, but those are cirrus clouds, not rain-producing clouds. The sky will be partly sunny during the day Friday. We'll start the day in the 60s, and again, the high well up in the 80s. I would not be shocked if somebody on the western side of the state actually touches 90 for the first time this year on Friday afternoon. Let's talk here our way through the 10-day forecast here for tomorrow and Friday. The sky will be mostly sunny, but we stay dry. Tomorrow, 87 on Friday. Warmest weather so far this year. Now for your weekend planning, on Saturday, the day will be dry, we believe, with only isolated showers. The better chance of rain will be Saturday night. There could be some thunderstorms involved. At the moment, we believe we will not have an issue with severe weather in our state. The better chance of any severe storms west of Alabama. Still warm Saturday, the high 86. Sunday, we turn cooler. The sky will be partially sunny, the high 73. Then for next week, highs back in the 60s, and Monday will be dry. The system comes by Tuesday with a chance of showers, the high 65, and dry air coming back on Wednesday of next week with a high at 68. After that, highs mostly in the 70s Thursday and Friday of next week. Catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including 97.3 Play. ABC